This tutorial is made for beginners using the mobile version of KineMaster. Features and options may look slightly different depending on your device or app version. Take your time, pause when needed, and let's create something. Welcome to episode 5 of my KineMaster tutorial series for beginners. Today, we're bringing your characters into the scene using layers. I'll show you how to add characters with different backgrounds, how to remove those backgrounds using Magic Remover or Chroma key, and how to place and style them to fit your scene. In this video, clip 1 will be Twirl, who has a black background, and clip 2 will be Mrs. Mareeka, who has a green background. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your project with the background. We're starting right where we left off in episode 4. Open the project that already has your background added to the main timeline. This is the file we'll be layering clip 1 and clip 2 on top of. Step 2. Add clip 1, twirl with a black background, tap layer, then media, and add your first character. This is clip 1, twirl. Once she's on the screen, tap on her layer and scroll through the options. Tap Magic Remover. It might take a minute or two to do its job, so wait until it finishes. Since Twirl is added as a layer, the background option will not appear. But Magic Remover should take care of the black background on its own. To adjust her size or position, just use your fingers. Pinch to resize and drag to move her where you want. We are not creating motion here, we are just placing her in the scene. Step 3. Add clip 2, Mrs. Mareeka, with a green background. Now let's bring in our second character. This is clip 2, Mrs. Mareeka. Tap layer, then media, and add her clip to your timeline. Tap on her layer and scroll to find Chroma key. First, switch Enable to On. Then tap Key Color and use the color picker to select the background color you want to remove. I'm removing the green color. Once the green is selected, you'll see a red background with a black silhouette. This is called the Chroma Key Mask Preview. Use the 2 sliders to adjust how much green is removed and how much of the character is kept. These are the Chroma Key Threshold sliders, and they help clean up the outline around the character. Once it looks good, use your fingers to resize and position Mrs. Mareeka in the scene. Step 4. Add a filter to Twirl. Next, we're going to apply a filter to clip 1, Twirl, to darken her a bit. Tap on Twirl's layer, then scroll to Filter. Choose the Teen Pop category and tap on Option 1. This darkens her slightly and helps her blend in better with the scene. And that's it. You've added 2 characters using layers, removed their backgrounds using Magic Remover and Chroma key, and placed them in your scene. You even styled your first character using a filter to better match the background. These tools give you creative control over how your characters look and interact. In the next tutorial, we'll explore how to add a shadow and a glow to your characters. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy-to-follow editing tutorials. And if you have any questions or want to share your own creations, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.